For under $800,000, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in one of my favorite communities here in the Lower Mainland, especially on the west side of the Fraser River. We're here in Sapperton, in New Westminster, in the Brewery District. So it's a master plan of 4 buildings. I'm showing you the third and final one of the Brewery District. There's a new one that's just been completed. So the benefit of that is you're no longer living in construction. But this is a master plan of 3 existing buildings, and we'll show you an in-depth unit view of the unit itself. And what makes this unit so very special is the views. We're on the 20th floor, and all you see is the Fraser River. On a nice sunny day, you can see out to Mount Baker as well. So we're gonna take you through those views. And what I love about this community is that you have everything that you need. You don't even need to have a car. Royal Columbian Hospital is just over here. The SkyTrain station's within a minute walk. So you can get inside and outside of Vancouver within 10-15 minutes, or all the way out to the valley itself. You have Save on Foods, Brown Social House, Shoppers Drug Mart, and we're gonna be taking you on a tour of the large amenity space that has a commercial-sized gym, as well as squash courts, steam and sauna. So you're not gonna wanna miss this out. Make sure you stay through the whole tour. Let's go. Welcome to Unit 2008. So before I share the best part, and that's the view right in behind me, I'm gonna give you an entryway viewpoint and tour first. So what I like about these units here, you're not jam-packed with a super tight corridor. So you actually have a space right here for your shoes, or put a nice little bench here. And there's a lot of storage in this unit as well. So in here, you have a double wide area for your entryway clothes and your jackets and your shoes. And like I said, this is a due bathroom as well, and they've done a really good job with the finishes. So as we come into the bathroom here, you'll see that there's nice tones here. The woodwork here, the darker flooring, the light tile, and the browns here work its way into the bathroom itself. You have more storage here for your towels. So it's done very, very good job in being able to accommodate, and it's nice and wide. This is a large secondary bathroom for sure. And I really like the dynamics in here, a nice floating mirror and all that as well. As we make our way back, we have our washer and dryer. I'm not gonna show you it all, but you have a Whirlpool appliance package here. So these are Whirlpool stackers. This is a unit that is just a couple years old. So everything is still under its 2, 5, and 10 home warranty. Like I said, a stainless steel Whirlpool appliance package. This unit was built in 2020, so you still have a few more years left on the 2, 5, and 10 home warranty to give you some of that peace of mind. And as we get into the main living space, this is exactly why you are wanting to buy this unit, and it is for these views in behind me. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy further out, but on a clear day, the sightlines are even more incredible than what they are. We already can see down into Maple Ridge and the mountains over here on this exposure. And then over here, you're seeing down into New Westminster, the new Patella Bridge that is being built. And when we go into here with the light that comes through here, and there's 6 walls of windows, and that's what I really love. It brings in so much natural light. You have enough space here for your couch, your TV. This is a great island. So for hosting, this is a beautiful, beautiful spot. They've done a really nice job with the cabinetry. There's no wasted space. Even above here, above the hood fan, there is push cabinetry, soft close above the fridge as well. And this is all the nice modern fixtures that you are needing. What I like about here is it's got the nice white quartz with the double sinks here. So for your washing and drying, for being able to cook, this is really, really nice in terms of the finishes here. The color scheme is beautiful. The whites, the browns, it all fits in really, really nice. And when you're walking through here, and you gotta come and see this in person, it feels like you're floating on top of the water. Just in front here is industrial zoning. So you have view protection here for many, many years to come. I don't think they'll ever be able to build skyscrapers there. They're gonna have to do some mass rezoning changes. So you have some very, very secured waterfront views here, and it's just absolutely incredible. And what I like about the views of the Fraser, it's very dynamic. So you get to see the boats coming in and out, and you'll be able to take in those views and enjoy it year round as well. So as we make our way over here, this is the primary. More than enough space to be able to fit a king size bed. This is a queen, just for your reference, but you're gonna be able to get a king size in here, still with the 2 nightstands. And like I said, out through here, you have those amazing Fraser River views. You can see the Portman Bridge over there as well. These ceiling heights are just a little bit under 9 foot. So you do have the size components here to make it feel a little bit larger. And this unit has been completely repainted and touched up, so it looks completely brand new. Nice features here. You have the his and hers closets on either side, and the cabinetry build outs. They do have motion lighting, so when you go in there to get your clothes in the morning, or what have you. You just need to go in, put your arm in, and you can have those lit up for your convenience. Again, a very nice bathroom here for the primary. You have a nice walk-in shower, and then a whole bunch of cabinetry here. Again, they've done a really good job in terms of being able to use all the space here for all your needs with the floating shelves. So both the bathrooms really pair well together. And as we get back out into the living space, like I said, there's lots of nice little details that they thought of. Even the sprinklers up in the ceiling, they're concealed heads, so you don't have the ugly ones sticking out. Everything is nice and seamless. Like I said, with the paint in here, it's like an extremely brand new unit. You have your nice dining space here. You can see with the light coming in here, a great place to eat. And then your secondary bedroom, which I like when they do this, when they put one bedroom on either side of the unit. So whether you're looking to have guests, you have a little bit more separation, or if you're using this for your kids or for an office space, you do have that separation from that main space. So in here, again, nice closets that are all built out and have the sliders here. And like I said, no matter where you are in this unit, you are surrounded by the Fraser River just over here. So this is a perfect space in here, whether you have some young kids, older kids, an office, just needing it for guests, whether you're upsize or downsize or investor, anything like that. This is an amazing unit. The Royal Columbian Hospital is just over there as well. So if you're looking for a rental, you have a great rental pool in here. So this is a great unit. Sapperton is such an amazing community. And now that they've finished building here, there's not going to be any more units available. So these are going to be in high demand now and in the future. And like I said, because this new building here is now completely finished, there's been some pause with people before with the construction around you. That is no longer the case. So you're not going to have to battle that construction. And like I said, you have all these amenities, and we're going to take a tour of that. Columbian, the Amenity area. So let's go, let's look at this amenity space. The Brewery District here is comprised of 3 buildings. We have the Sapperton just in front of me, Westminster, which is the second, and thirdly, 258 Nelson's Court, which is the unit that we have gone through already, is the third and the newest of the 3 in the development. As you can see in this corridor here, what I love about the Sapperton area, it has everything that you need. Coffee shops, it has TD, all your banking, Save on Foods, Shoppers Drug Mart, so for your pharmacy, and all that is all literally within a 30-second walk. Behind me here is a massive amenity area, huge commercial fitness center, squash courts, lobby area, workstation, sauna, steam room. We're going to take you through all of that here. But that is one of the advantages when you buy into these huge strata plans. You get these big amenity areas, and we're going to take you on a tour right now. So we have 2 floors here of amenity space. The main area here is where you can find the pool table, ping pong, change rooms over here. There's also yoga rooms, treatment rooms, meeting rooms. And in behind me here, where you see all the windows, is a massive commercial grade fitness studio here. It has all your machines. Due to privacy reasons, we're not allowed to film inside there as there's people working out currently, but just wanted to give you some of the size dynamics in terms of what this gym looks like. So if you want to come view it in person, make sure you come out for a showing. I can show you this area here. Like I said, here they have meeting rooms. So if you're wanting to get out of your space, work from home, but outside of your home, here's a perfect place to do that. You have a full kitchen, you have an area here. So whether you want to work with your team or work by yourself, have this area to you at your need. So as we go down here, next stop is the squash courts, and I can give you a little bit of an overview of where the sauna and the steam room is as well. So we're on the main level here. This is where you actually have access to the gym. In behind me, there's another treatment room. So if you're an RMT, someone else wants to do some work, you can do that. There's also yoga rooms that you can book out as well. So in behind me here, this is where you have the entry room for the gym. As you slide over here, you have a nice squash court. So you have this huge space in here for your squash needs as well. So this is a very robust amenity room. And then in behind me here, and through these change rooms, both for the male and the female, you have your sauna and steam room as well. You've seen the listing, the beautiful Fraser River views. I've taken you through the amenity space where you have the beautiful gym, the sauna, the squash courts, and now you've had a little tour of the Brewery District with all your amenities with Safeway and Brown Social House right now. So make sure you reach out to me directly for a showing. I hope to see you out so I can tour you in person and want you to celebrate here with a drink on your new home here in Brewery District. My name is Kyle Mark, broker by eXp Realty. Welcome home.